but I was not that profitable. I lose some money there, but I learn from my mistakes. It's better to trade with another money, not with your, like if you have 100k.
Hi Vincenzo, thanks for taking the time to do the interview. Maybe you could just introduce yourself to the community, tell us a bit about yourself.
My name is Vinchentso Angelov. I'm from Bulgaria, originally from Ruse, but I live and work in Varna, Bulgaria. Right now I'm in Sofia because I have a trip to Germany about 4 months. I'm 23 years old. I started trading like 6 months ago. After this, I'm sorry for my English. It's not.
No, it's good. It's all good.
Yeah. Before that, I was in Germany. My mother lives there. I play football there and work also. And before that, I play professional football in Bulgaria in the first and second division. Yeah.
Okay. Bit of a life experience already at an early age.
Yes. In this early age, I have life experience.
Great. So what do you do for a living?
I play football in Varna and also I trade.
Yeah. Okay, cool. So you a bit of part-time trading and a bit of part-time.
No, yes, I'm not a day trader.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So what you say? You hold positions for a period of time? Do you? You're a swing trader?
What?
You hold positions over a number of days?
No, number of days. No. Maybe like some hours. It's about the movement on the market.
Yeah.
But I do not have open trades like today.
Okay. So what do you trade? What
I trade
FX?
99%. I trade on NASDAQ, US Tech.
NASDAQ.
On the US Tech of New York stock market.
Yeah, I know.
99% of the trades is there.
Yeah. The best asset in my opinion. So
in mine also, yeah.
So how do you trade NASDAQ? Are you looking? What are you, ICT trader, or what's your style of trading?
My style of trading is, first of all, when I start trading, I try to trade only with orders. I try to trade only with orders to catch the movement. But I didn't like this strategy. Now I have time to look at the market, to look at the movements, to read about the companies that involved in the NASDAQ, because on this is the important thing to read, to see the news about every company, because every company is involved in the movement in the NASDAQ. And I look at the market most of the time, and then when I look in the movement of the market, I liked where I can sell or buy. Most of the times I prefer to trade with between 50 and 80 contracts on NASDAQ.
Okay. CFD contracts?
Yes, most of the times.
Okay.
And
a fairly large account then?
Yes, I remember maybe 2 weeks ago, something like this it was, and my funded account was on 94k, and I catch the movement. It makes a new high, and then I sell. I make the account on again on a starting position on 100k, and then I have a stop loss on the bottom, and then I catch it for the high again, and that's how I make the last payout. It was 5.1% profit.
Very nice. Okay. Yeah. So sounds like you're a mixture of fundamentals and technicals.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Before I start trading, I have 2 weeks studying in one company here in Bulgaria. It's like Zoom meetings. It's benchmark in Bulgaria.
Okay.
They do most of it.
You learned how to analyze.
Also watching YouTube and reading.
So what's your opinion on the Nvidia share price then?
What?
What's your opinion on the Nvidia share price?
Oh, I do not look another markets. I look only NASDAQ and Bitcoin because I invest in crypto mining.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
because that's my opinion. If you spend too much time in front of the screen and looking for the stock market, you're going to be like some zombie. You can't think right, you can't make right decisions, and that's why when I finish work, I close the laptop, and that's
good to have a good balance, for sure.
Yes.
Okay. Can you share a screen? Maybe show us an example of a trade setup. So 100k account, looking at about 4k in profit.
Yeah.
Can we just take a quick look at your stats just to see them, if you don't mind? If you go to trading overview and then some kind of, what does it say? Detailed stats. Yeah. So okay, 60% win rate, 1 to 2.6 risk reward, and looking at average win 1,000, average loss 380. Yeah, okay, nice. So looking at trading, roughly 3 lots on NASDAQ?
Yeah.
Per trade, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay. Great stats. Yeah, that should compound quite nicely. So yeah, if you could just run through a quick example of a trade you took, just so we can get an idea of how you trade.
I can open the platform here because it's my.
Oh, okay, sure. Yeah.
It's the easiest for me.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, nice integration with TradingView and MT5.
Yes, I like this platform because it's very easy to work here.
Yeah, nice and simple.
Yes.
Happy with the spread with NASDAQ?
What?
You happy with the spread on NASDAQ?
Not much, because I did not work the last days because I was traveling, and I see on my phone like what NASDAQ did in Friday. It's like about 400 points down.
Yeah, big
300
moves,
up. Yes.
Yeah. I think the reasoning is, or the excuse is, we moved to T+1, so things might get a little bit more volatile.
Yes. Now we can see. Oh, wait.
So you don't use any indicators of any kind?
No, I do not use indicators.
No, just price action. Okay,
Yeah.
fair enough.
We can see here was my last.
Was this the 15-minute? Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yes, here's my last trade.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I think maybe from here when I buy, I knew it was going to be for the high, but I didn't know it was going to make this chart here little bit down, and I almost lose my trade. But then you can see here on time 70-30 it makes one high here, and I didn't close my trades. Then it goes a little bit down, then it makes another high like this, and that was the moment when I realized it's not going to go more far up. And you can see I closed, and then we can see it's go down maybe like 200 points.
Yeah. Okay, so what was the entry model to get along there? What were you looking for?
I look for, most of the times I look like for between 2 and 3% profits. That's what I look at. I think when I start this trade, my account was on 101k, something like this, and I look between 2 and 3% profit, and I make like the maximum 3% profit for in my strategy.
I understand. But but what gives you the signal to go long at that point? What is your criteria for buying there?
It's not like a signal, it's like the movement of the market. We can see. Wait.
Okay.
Yes. We can see
So we got a big push lower. Yeah.
Yes, we can see this movement here. It's like almost all day it's going down on 28th May. It was going down, and I knew at this, before I buy, I knew it's going to go a little bit up, because that's what I see for 6 months in NASDAQ. I look for every day. And I looked, then I buy, and you can see it's not the hardest strategy. It's like in my head.
Okay.
Like
so you're basically,
I can say I'm a baby in trading.
Okay, so you're looking basically for the price to move lower or higher a certain extent, and then you're expecting it to mean revert back up into a range, essentially. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. You've obviously identified the average daily range of the NASDAQ, and once it's met that range, you're expecting some kind of pullback. Okay. Sure. That's reasonable. Okay. Great. You trade any particular time of day? Are you looking to trade only in New York, or what?
Yeah, most of the times I trade to New York, because that's the time where I'm at my home. Because I train like 12 p.m. I have training, then I come home, and I'm in front of the laptop like 3 p.m. And then I'm waiting for the market to open. Sometimes before I open the market, like 4 p.m., 30 minutes before opening. But 99% I trade after 4:30 p.m. my local time.
Yeah, that was best time to be trading NASDAQ, obviously, once the US equity market is open. Right, okay. Well, you can. Thanks for sharing the screen, and thanks for sharing your dashboard. You can close that if you wish.
Okay.
Right, okay. So, what do you think was the turning point in your profitability? What made you consistently profitable? What were you doing before, and what were you doing after the change?
I started 6 months ago, and I looked for prop firms to start buying some accounts, but I was not that profitable. I work with another companies, and I lose too many accounts. But I learned from this. I lose some money there, but I learned from my mistakes. Before I was more aggressively on the market, and I was trying. In my head was, today I must make a 5% profit, and that was in my head when I started trading. Then I started realizing that it's better the things to make the things slow, like this type of profit 5%. I can make it in 1 week. It's not need to make it in 1 day. But yes, when I
5% a week is still good.
Yes, it's good. Imagine if you have a bigger account.
Exactly. Yeah, that's the advantage with the prop.
Yeah. And yesterday I was with one friend here, because I'm in Sofia, in the capital of Bulgaria, and he was also trading, but he was trading with some managers, and he didn't know about these companies. He heard this for the first time.
Okay.
And I told him about the companies, that it's better to trade with them, because it's better to trade with another money, not with your, like if you have 100k, it's better to trade with another money, not with yours.
Yeah.
Yes, and
always better.
Yes, and he trades like 2 years, and he said that the biggest problem was the risk management. And I said to him that with these pro firms, when you buy an account, you have risk management, and you must make your risk management, but you have risk management on this account, and that's the perfect. And maybe 2-3 months ago, I found your company. I heard about this company, but I didn't look seriously in this company. Then I look seriously in your company, and I see the type of the accounts, the payments, the dashboard, everything. And in my opinion, I work with another company. That's the easiest work with the dashboard, the fastest payouts, because my last payout was I think last week on Wednesday, something like this, and I wait 8 hours, and after 8 hours the money was in Rise.
8 hours you got paid? Wow, that's quick, isn't it? Yeah,
Yes,
great.
Excellent. It's half a day. Yes.
Yeah, good to hear. Well, I'm glad you're happy with the speed of the payouts. That's yeah. No, I think we do have one of the quickest payouts in the industry, so it is something to be proud of. Right. Well, I'm glad you're happy with FundedNext. I'm glad you've informed a friend of our existence. So hopefully he'll be trading with us soon. But yeah, as you say, much better to trade with somebody else's money than your own. Of course, it's why not? It seems silly not to. Okay. All right. Well, any other suggestions you would like for FundedNext to take into consideration?
I don't know. But for me, FundedNext is perfect for trading because the money for the account is very good. With I put every time when I buy, I put to have a bi-weekly payout, to have no minimum trading days, and that's perfect. And also the payout was amazing. The work on the dashboard here in the trading terminal, it's super easy.
Great, good to hear. All right, well, glad you're happy with everything, Vincent. Thanks for taking the time to do the interview. Good luck with the funded account, and speak to you again.
Thanks.
Okay, see you. Bye.
See you. Bye.